In today's video, I will teach you how to create simple photo borders using GIMP. Let's get started. First, launch GIMP and open your desired image by going to File, then Open, or simply press Ctrl-O on your keyboard. Then navigate to your image file and click Open. Now, select the entire image by going to Select, then All, or simply by pressing Ctrl-A. Next, shrink the selection by going to Select, then Shrink. In the dialog box, enter the desired value to reduce the selection. For example, 40 pixels. Then click OK. Then activate the Quick Mask mode by going to Select, then toggle Quick Mask or by pressing Shift-Q. The Quick Mask mode will display the selection with a red overlay. Now go to Filter, Noise, then Spread to open the Spread dialog box. Then preview the effect by enabling the Preview checkbox. Then set the distance, horizontal and vertical in pixels. Then click OK. Deactivate the Quick Mask mode by pressing Shift-Q. Then invert the selection by going to Select, then Invert. This will ensure that the border area is selected. Then reset the foreground and background color to default by pressing D. Then fill the selection with white by going to Edit, then Fill with background color. Then deselect the area by going to Select, then None. And once you're satisfied, you can save your project file by going to File, then Save, or simply press Ctrl-S. Then choose the GIMP XDF file format for future editing capabilities. Then export the image in a desired file format like JPEG, PNG, or TIFF by going to File, then Export As. By following these steps, you've successfully created a simple photo border in GIMP. Experiment with different selections, filters, and colors to customize your borders according to your preferences. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.